Let's kick things off with the football. Portmore United are now just 1 point behind league leaders Mount Pleasant in third after a comprehensive 2-0 win over Arnett Gardens in the rain-filled Jamaica Premier League on Sunday. Mount Pleasant were also winners on the day.
Portmore United ended 2023 on a high as they blanked Arnett Gardens 2-0 at Ferdinand Park on Sunday. Gia Headley put Portmore ahead in the 69th minute. Shackwell Henry then sealed the 3 points for the St. Catherine-based team in the 74th minute.
As I said, we're up to 24. The important thing is to keep the momentum. This is our 4th victory, and playing at home, we have really made Ferdinand a fortress so far. It's a game of 2 halves. The changes really went on and did the trick for us. We put on 3 youngsters, and they really turned the game around for us.
Over at Draxall, defending champions Mount Pleasant kept their top spot in the standings after clipping Humble Lion 1-0. The decisive goal came from Daniel Green in minute 48.
Well, I think it's good when you get back to winning games. I think if you look on the game, it's not a 1-0 game. We create and miss a number of goal scoring opportunity tonight. But I'm grateful for the 3 points and not conceding this afternoon.
I thought we did pretty well, especially in the first half. We know that fitness would be a factor in the latter part of the second half. So we just wanted to hang in there and play on the counter. I thought we were very disciplined in the first half, and forced the Mount Pleasant team to be shooting from distances, which is what was part of the plan. So overall, I thought it was a fairly good performance.
Meanwhile, Very United has moved into a playoff spot following their 2-0 win over Treasure Beach at Stets. Lamar Neal put Vera ahead in the 43rd minute. The win was then sealed a minute after the restart from Alric Maitland.
3 points is good. That's how we played the game for. I thought in the first half we created some chances, never capitalized. Got the go-ahead goal, and then we allowed Treasure Beach a little bit of time and space to play. Asked for an early goal in the second half, we got it. And then from there, it was about managing the game. We came under some pressure in the middle of the second half, but I think we came out of it well.
Harbourview are now winless in their last 3 games after sharing points with Montego Bay United in a 2-2 draw at Westport Park. Andre Fagan got the Stars of the East going in the 15th minute. However, Montego Bay United fought back and went into half-time with a lead after goals from Brazilian Jean Claudio Rios Ferreira in minute 28 and Lucas Lima Correa in minute 32. Omar Thompson made sure that Harbourview walked away with a positive result, getting the equalizer in the 63rd minute.
Tough game. We don't have easy game here. Harbourview is a very qualified team, but I think we deserve to win because we create more chances than them. But it is what it is. The draw, 1 point is better than none.
I could have won the game. Without a certainty, right? The chances were split, but we got the ones at the end. We got the one at the end of the game, so we could have won the game.
Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.